Good morning, guys. In front of me is VIVO Y200 and let me show you how to reset all the settings. First, open the settings, then select System and go to Reset Options. Now mark Reset All Settings, and if you truly want to reset all settings, including functions, switches, options, personalized settings, and all content filled during setup, click on Reset All Settings. Confirm that you want to do it. If you do have some pattern, passcode, or fingerprint, you will have to provide it now, and if not, just keep waiting. And that's it, that will be all. Just unlock it and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.